Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.
In May of 2013, the Civil Service Commission ruled in favor of Arriola, who had appealed her termination. The CSC ruled that port management had violated the 60-day rule. It was in December 2012 that 7 port employees, including Arriola, were fired for their alleged involvement in an alleged conspiracy to defraud the government and then cover it up. Arriola specifically was accused of altering a travel itinerary, inputting the wrong per diem rate for a travel request and authorization, as well as drafting and backdating a memo to put in a file. The port then challenged the CSC ruling in the Superior Court, which ultimately upheld the Commission's ruling. The port, however, filed an appeal to the Supreme Court. In the opinion issued by the court on Thursday, it focused on the allegation regarding the backdating of a memo. It's the timing of this memo and alleged violations stemming from it that may have fallen within the 60-day window, which the CSC refused to consider. According to the Superior Court opinion, the Commission's failure to consider all of the factual allegations warrants remand. On remand, the CSC should separately analyze the merits of the 60-day rule regarding the backdated memo. If the CSC finds that the allegations regarding the backdated memo fall within the 60-day window and that port management has sufficiently proven the allegations, then the CSC can determine whether Arriola's backdating of the memo supports the agency-imposed sanction or whether the sanction should be modified, the opinion stated. The Supreme Court ordered the action to be remanded to the Superior Court to remand to the Civil Service Commission for a consideration of the merits of the allegation that Arriola backdated a memo to file and for other proceedings not inconsistent with its opinion. Additionally, the High Court reversed the portion of the judgment determining the issues of mitigation of damages and attorneys' fees based on the current disposition. Those determinations are premature and negated. Attorney Mike Phillips, who represented the port in this case, says the Supreme Court's ruling is another major victory for the port. The Supreme Court supported our argument that the employee backdating a memo to cover up wrongdoing needed to be considered. Phillips adding that the facts before the Commission are overwhelming and there is no doubt the port can prevail during the required Commission hearing on the merits. We had computer evidence that the employee backdated a memo and did so to help her supervisor, who was also part of the cover-up. In addition to computer records and email, we also presented live testimony from a witness in the room that observed the wrongdoing. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Chris Barnett.
Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.